and King Saudi Arabia. So we have several time for training and several time for break, taking break. Break for Zuhur, Maghrib, and Isha in Jakarta. And for you in King Saudi Arabia, we have take a break for Zuhur and Asar. Okay, and then what you will get during this training, exactly you will get the knowledge and then upgrade your skill about your UI UX design and then about Android and also about the iOS Swift. And then the last you will get certificate. But for certificate, we will commit to give everyone with full attendance class. So I have like this one attendance class. So you can see that before here we have several time 5 session. This is session 1, session 2, session 3, session 4, and session 5. So each session we will get absent. So we will see that people can be full attention for this training, because Brother Sahal asked me to this. If anyone of everyone not full for training, it means that you are not full attend the class. Brother Sahal said that we'll change with the another people. So I hope that you all, with the choose people, you can give your full attendance for this class, and we hope also you will get many knowledge for this training. And then we will share with you also before we start our training today. I will share about our company profile with you. Our company legal in Indonesia named as Coding Technology Asia, but our brand name is Udacoding. Our location is Shop Tangerang, Banten, near Jakarta, Indonesia. Okay, we have we built this company since 2018, exactly 4 years ago, and we have several training in Indonesia, offline and also online. And this is my training at Nusa Tenggara Timur, or the East Indonesia, uh, on 2019. And we have several concepts for training, exactly for offline and also online. If online in Jakarta, we will meet the participant face to face, but the online we will use Google Meet or Zoom. And this is our class also. And for training, we have several level training, and also we have several program such as Flutter, and then Android, Kotlin, and then digital marketing, web, and UI design and data science. And exactly, we also provide for you if you want to get the international certificate. Exactly for Android, we have a partner with the Advanced Training Certification or Android ATC. You can get this certificate like this, Flutter Certified or Android Certified Application Developer. And also, we can help you to get a certified for Android, Associate Android Developer. This is from the Udemy, not Udemy, but I forgot about the name. And we also, if you want to learn about digital marketing, we will help to get you certified from Google Digital Garage. And this is certificate for you all. to get the certificate from Google, exactly for Google UX designs. Okay, and this is our portfolio. I will send on the chat to you. You can see it later. So before our start today, our training, do you have any question? Okay, before we start our training today, for session 1, I will get the attendance. So please open your camera and set that you present for today, exactly for this session, for session 1. And then after session 1, we will take a break for 5 minutes. And after that, you will continue to session 2. And also, during the last session or end of the session 2, we will get also attendance for the session. Okay. For session 1, Nora Muhammad Sumaili, present. Yes, okay. And then Sami Ibrahim Alaufi. Sami Ibrahim, are you here? Okay, not yet. And then okay, and then Fahad Faisal Arharbi. Okay. And then Hajar Abdul Mangri. Yes, okay. And then Bashir Muhammad Madkhali. Bashir. Hello, Bashir. Okay. And then Abdul Aziz Al-Hijali. Okay. And then Amwaj Al-Dasari. Okay, and then Rahaf Abdul Aziz Al-Hazmi. Okay. Salha Muhammad Ali. Salha. Not yet. Lin Helmi Al-Ahmadi. Yes, okay. Rakhdat Ali Arif. Yes, Rakhdat Arif. Yes, okay. And the last, Amal Al-Malki. Okay. Okay, because we still 2 people not still attending this class. Brother Amal, Sister Amal, can you help me to call them to join this class? We will wait until 5 minutes for them. Okay, thank you. Sami Ibrahim Alaufi, and then Salha Muhammad Ali Hazmi. Please tell them about our new link.